Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Guys, the love part is becoming really intense. Let me tell you what happened today. Sylvia revealed that someone in the love part, the love guest, said her relationship with Chidi Banks is fake because they don't quarrel. I don't understand. Is that supposed to be a yardstick for a successful relationship? Is it that for a relationship to be termed genuine and serious, they should always quarrel about something? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me take you through what happened. Chivia were beaming as usual throughout their chat with Auntie, and it would seem that cheerful disposition is getting under the skin of some love guests. She didn't reveal the name, but apparently someone told Sylvia that her relationship with Chidi Banks is fake because they don't quarrel. Enemies everywhere. Naturally, both of them took offense to this because the reason they don't let their tempers get the better of them is simply making a mutual decision to respect each other. Auntie reminded them to trust each other and completely ignore the haters because their opinions mean nothing. With the negativity disbanded, it was time to talk life after the pad. Chivia are currently discussing living arrangements, which are somewhat complicated by the fact Sylvia is still a student and goes to uni on the other side of Lagos. Auntie commended the progress they have made, including Chidi singing her a love language, with lots of intense physical intimacy through the week. Other than a few pet peeves like Chidi not showering in the morning, where Chivia is an absolute neat freak. It's onward and upward for Chivia. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is it true that for a relationship to be termed successful, for a relationship to be real, they have to quarrel? The partners have to quarrel in it for it to be termed success. Let me know what you think, because I'm really getting confused, and I'm sure Sylvia and Chivia are confused in the house. Okay guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.